Some days I really like to have fun, so today I put my grill on the river, picked up a pineapple and a red cabbage, got them ready, and then I coated them with my favorite spice and some olive oil. Once they were evenly coated, it was time to put them on the fire. 35 minutes, and they always come out perfect. You know I wasn't gonna have enough of fruit and veggies, so it was time for protein. I picked up a pork chop, an amazing one from Snake River Farms. I scored the skin so it will get nice and crispy and all the spices will penetrate. I coated it with the same spice and olive oil rub, and then it was time to go in the fire. 25 minutes, set it, and forget it. It was piping hot. Pineapples were amazing, so was the cabbage. The sear on the pork was perfection. The inside was nice and moist, and the outside had beautiful crust. It was time for plating. I started off with the cabbage, then I sliced the pineapple, and then the start of the show, the pork chop. The crust was freaking amazing. The bone came out nice and clean, and then I got nice thick cuts. You don't want that to get dry. Once I plated the pork, I finished it with my favorite homemade chimichurri, and then it was time to chew on that bone, baby. It was freaking amazing. Enjoy. Like and subscribe.